Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and I have a video today about my recent purchases, that being KAYALI perfumes that I had the restock on and some Target stuff that I had to get. I went ahead and I had to repurchase my favorite face wash from Herb & Eden, the facial wash tea tree and turmeric. It will be my second bottle, and I said this so many times. This has helped me with my skin. I had a bad breakout and this has helped lighten my skin, lighten my hyperpigmentation, and keep my skin nice and tight and very like shiny. I love this face wash so much. They are from, it's a married couple who owns this beautiful company. They grow their products in a garden and they make beautiful soaps and face wash, and they have products online that help with any skin problems. So this is my second bottle. I swear by this. I love this so much. It's inexpensive. I was using like $40 washes for my face. They were great, but nothing compares to this, and this is only like $15. I love this so much. It's all natural as well, so this is helped me so much in my life, so this is a yes for me. So I had to get this again. The next three items I have are from Target. I had to restock on my Aquaphor Lip Repair. It's been very cold here in California and my lips are dry, and that is not okay. So I swear by these, and this has helped me keep my lips shiny and keep me from cracking, which has, you know, I can't do that. So, but this one is a lifesaver. It comes in a pack of 2, and I believe these were like $8. So if you are going through dryness, this is something you want to use, and I keep this with me wherever I go. Next product is a feminine product, TMI. But I've been watching videos online on hygiene. I take a shower every day. I like to wash myself. I like to clean myself very thoroughly. And I was on TikTok. So TikTok made me buy this product. It's about, you know, taking care of your lady parts. So there's a product called Down There Wash Aloe Based Cleanser. I really want to try this. Again, I take a shower every day. I clean thoroughly every part of my body, but I know that, you know, we got to keep every area clean. So I was curious, so I went ahead and I wanted to give this a try. This got great ratings, and this is kind of new for me. I never really added like a feminine wash to my body care. Like I said, I do clean thoroughly, but you know, you want to, I guess, you know, I want to give this a try and see how it goes. You know, our lady parts are very important, so you know, I will go the extra mile if I have to take care of my body. So I'm excited to use this. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm very anxious to see how this goes. So yeah, I want to try this, so we'll see what happens, but I'm excited to see how this works. So I know that online and everywhere, everyone's going Tumbler crazy. I've been buying a lot of tumblers, and I'm infamous for my orange Hydro Flask, and I had to get a pink one because I have this obsession now with pink. I saw this and I had to get it, so I went and bought it. I thought last time I tried to get this, but there was one without a straw, so I was devastated. So I said, oh, maybe it's not meant to be. So I went back to Target, and lo and behold, they have a pink one. So I'm so excited to finally get this. This costs, I think, $15, and I love this so much. I'm gonna be bringing this to work. This is so pretty. I have this thing for pink now, and I have a thing for Barbie. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm in my pink phase. I hate pink growing up. It wasn't my color. Like, I wanted nothing to do with that color. Now I'm like, I love pink. It is so pretty. I guess I'm in my feminine era. I grew up as a tomboy, but this is pretty. I had to get it. So yeah, it's pink and it's pretty, and I have to get it. Now we are getting into the Huda Beauty and KAYALI items. You already saw my video on this. You know how I feel about this. It's gorgeous. I love it. I had to get it when I saw that she was coming out with her quads. This is definitely different from what she has released, so I love it. It's pretty. I'm wearing it on my eyes, so I had to get this. I love Huda. I had to get it, period. So yes, I went ahead and got this from her website, and I love it. I love this palette. I think it's very pretty. Now are some restocks and first time tries. So I had to get my Musk 12. This is my go-to fragrance. This is so pretty. I was scared they were discontinuing it because it was out of stock, but they're back in stock. And I had to get the biggest one they had. I love this smell. I get a lot of compliments from this fragrance. When I saw that they're out of stock, I was desperate for a dupe. I think the closest dupe would be Juicy Couture. Could have said that wrong, but the Juicy Couture one is the closest, the closest to this. Not 100%, but it smells like this, sort of, but it's the closest one that I know. I was about to purchase it because it's on sale at the Nordstrom Rack website, and it's like, I don't think you could return it. I don't know if they're gonna sell that soon, but if you like that, you better get it now before it's gone. They're having a sale on that, but I said I like my Musk 12. There's nothing like it, so I went ahead and purchased a whole. This is my second bottle. I'm halfway done with the other one, but I have to get this. I might buy another one just in case, because this is something I love so much. The next fragrance, I can't believe I had to get this one because it's not really number one in my radar, but it is for, you know, the KAYALI fans, the Vanilla 28. I was not a fan, like I said before. I was like, I don't know what the hype is. I don't care with the smell. I didn't really like the smell, but then I said later it grew on me, and the dry down was beautiful. And I said, oh my god, what was I thinking? I'm stupid. This smells freaking good. So I had to get another bottle. I said, I'll get another bottle of this. So I got the 50 ml, I think. This is the 50 ml size. I just really love this. I fell in love. I just said, I'm gonna go get this one. And I have to say too, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase vanilla coconut. I didn't like that either until I went back to Sephora in where I'm at, and I took the time to smell vanilla coconut. I was like, oh my god, why did I hate this fragrance? I said, this smells so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a big bottle pretty soon. So yes, this is beautiful. I had to get another bottle. I'm completely empty of vanilla 28, so had to get another bottle. Next was the sample size. Well, not the sample size. This is the 10 ml vanilla Royale sugared patchouli. I got the small bottle because I wanted to try it before I really invest in a big one. And guys, let me tell ya, I'm buying a big bottle because this is so beautiful. It smells so good. I know there was a lot of mixed reviews, but I don't care. I'm sorry, I don't care how anyone felt. I know there was a lot of mixed reviews, but I'm like, no, this smells freaking good. I don't know what none of you are talking about. This is just a more intense version of vanilla 28, and guys, this smells so good. Like, it's a lot stronger, and I like that. I like something where you could smell the fragrance easily, and this is it. I had the spray before I went to bed. I sprayed it like in the air in my sister's bathroom because she wanted to smell it. She said it smells fantastic. This smells so beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. Like, I just love the intensity of this. It's a stronger vanilla 28 and very fancy. I would say it's a very sophisticated, noticeable scent compared to vanilla 28. This one is more intense, like I said it is, and I really like it. It's noticeable and I like that, and it's a yes for me. This is super beautiful. Again, if you're curious, please get a sample size. Don't just jump and get a big one if you're sensitive. I was just very curious, so I went ahead and got the small one, and yes, I'm sold. Like, I'm getting a bigger bottle of this. This is too beautiful. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below for you on the products that I have, and I really appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.